On today's podcast, we're going to be continuing on with our topic of hand safety, and this is week 2, and we are talking about glove selection and use. So stay tuned.
Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, warehouse safety tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast.
Why glove selection matters for hand safety. Today's focus is on selecting and using hand safety gloves. Cuts, pinches, and caught-in hazards show up fast in busy facilities. A torn carton edge, a sharp banding strap, a pallet shift that grabs your finger, it only takes one slip. Gloves help, but only when you choose the right pair and wear them correctly. The wrong glove can be a problem of its own as well. Too loose and it snags, too thin and it fails, too bulky and you lose grip, but that's when hands get hurt. Common glove mistakes that lead to injuries are very common. I've seen people grab the closest pair and call it good, and that's how you end up using slightly light gloves on sharp tasks. And here's the thing, wearing coated gloves while handling chemicals or keeping the same gloves for weeks because they still look fine, meanwhile your fingertips are worn down, the liner's ripped, and you can't see every weakness until it's too late. So make sure that you give selection and use ones that you can trust. Here are a few tips that are going to help you find the right gloves and use them for hand safety. The very first thing is you want to match your glove to the hazard. Cut resistant gloves for blades and sharp edges. Here's the thing about chemical resistant gloves for liquids or heat gloves for hot parts. If you're unsure, you want to ask. Guessing does not protect you. You want to check gloves before every use. Look for holes, tears, thinning spots, and split seams. Flip them over. Check the fingertips. A glove with a damage is a glove that won't do its job. You want to replace gloves when they're compromised. Don't stretch a glove's life. If the grip coating is worn, the liner is frayed, or the glove has been soaked in a chemical, replace it. No debate. You want to take gloves off safely. Peel them off so the dirty outside doesn't come in contact with your skin. And then you want to keep gloves out of break areas and off of work surfaces. Contamination can travel. Last and certainly not least, you want to know when not to wear gloves. Some rotating tools and moving equipment can grab a glove and pull your hand in. That's called a caught-in hazard. Follow your facility rules for tasks when bare hands and guards are the safer choice. And as always, these are potential tips. Please make sure to follow the rules and regulations of your specific facility. You want to know better habits around gloves and hand safety. Hand safety glove selection isn't a one-time choice. It's a routine. Grab the right glove. Check it, use it, replace it. It's just that simple and consistent. And stay alert to the task changes. If you switch from box handling to a chemical wipe down, your gloves should change as well. Your hands are going to tell the story of your work, so let's keep that story injury free. And thank you for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Until we meet next time, have a great week and stay safe.
Before moving on, here's a word from one of our sponsors. If you've ever been to or worked in a warehouse, you know just how important safety is to both management and staff. It's almost impossible to go 10 steps without seeing safety tape, angles, signs, and/or safety products. It's these items that show us how to be safe and avoid danger in the workplace. And if you're looking for the best products to make this happen, look no further than Mighty Line. Mighty Line floor signs and floor markings offer the best industrial products out there. We're proud to have Mighty Line as the official floor sign and floor marking company for the Warehouse Safety Tips podcast and site. Go to mightylinetape.com/safety tips to request a sample pack of their incredible safety signs and floor markings. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. If you visit warehousesafetytips.com, You'll find the show notes for this episode and access to all of our blog posts, previous podcasts, advertiser information, and much more. Thank you for listening to Warehouse Safety Tips, and have a safe day.